أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها النبي قل لأزواجك وبناتك ونساء المؤمنين يدنين عليهن من جلابيبهن ذلك أدنى أن يعرفن فلا يؤذين وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
O Prophet, enjoin your wives and your daughters, and the believing women, to draw a part of their outer coverings around them. It is likelier that they will be recognized and not molested. Allah is most forgiving, most merciful. Jilbab is a large sheet and adna is to draw close and wrap up, but when this word is used with the associating particle Allah, it gives the meaning of letting something down from above. Some modern translators, under the influence of the West, have translated this word to wrap up so as to avoid somehow the command about covering of the face. But if Allah had meant what these gentlemen want to construe, He would have said, Yudnina ilayhinna, and not Yudnina alayhinna. Anyone who knows Arabic knows that Yudnina alayhinna cannot merely mean wrapping up. Moreover, the words min jalabib, ahinna also do not permit of this meaning. It is obvious that the preposition min here signifies a part of the sheet, and also that wrapping up is done by means of a whole sheet, and not merely by a part of it. The verse, therefore, clearly means the women should wrap themselves up well in their sheets, and should draw and let down a part of the sheet in front of the face. The term jilbab, as mentioned in Islamic scripture, refers to a large outer garment, and the verb adna, when coupled with the particle Allah, conveys the act of drawing something down from above, not merely wrapping it around. Some modern translations, influenced by Western interpretations, have deliberately reduced this meaning to just wrapping up, thereby sidestepping the implication of covering the face. However, in Arabic, the phrase yudnina alayhinna cannot be simplified to wrapping alone, as Allah specifies the action of letting down from above. Furthermore, the phrase min jalabib ahinna indicates using a part of the sheet rather than its entirety, reinforcing the idea of letting a portion of the garment cover the face. If the intention was solely to wrap, the verse would have employed yudnina ilayhinna instead. Therefore, this verse clearly instructs women to wrap themselves fully and lower part of their jilbab over their face.